An addition facts table is a tool to help you remember addition facts. The yellow shaded boxes represent addends. Which addends total 6 in the first white row? 6 and 0. Which addends total 6 in the second white row? 5 and 1. What is another equation you can write to show the sum of 6? Four plus 2 equals 6. 4 and 2 are the addends for the sum of 6. What other equation can you write to show the sum of 6 in the third white row? 2 plus 4 equals 6. Why do both equations equal 6? You can add numbers in any order, and the sum is the same. Here are all the ways to make a sum of 6.
What pattern do you see?
How are the first addends in each equation changing?
Select your answer.
The first addends are decreasing by 1 in each equation. How are the second addends in each equation changing?
Select your answer.
The second addends are increasing by 1 in each equation. If you decrease one addend by 1 and increase the other addend by 1, the sum remains the same. What pattern do you see on the addition facts table? It makes a diagonal pattern.